Hello and welcome to Facts and Action YouTube channel. So here we got a Windows computer and we would like to bypass this network connection or internet connection screen. We can do that just by holding Shift plus F10 and this will pop up a command prompt. So you can write here also task mgr and press enter, or you can press and hold this Windows button on keyboard and press R. It will open this run command, and here you can type task mgr and press enter, so it will open up task manager. So once you are in task manager, find here network connection flow, this one, network connection flow. So here on network connection flow, click and end task and close this and close as well this command prompt, and that's it. So you will see this screen. So that means we have successfully bypassed the network connection screen, and now you can activate your Windows, and now you can process the setup wizard. Go ahead and type your name. So I hope this video will help you bypass internet connection screen on your Windows computer. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.